Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Gallia County in southeastern Ohio, Mason County in western West Virginia, northeastern Cabell County in central West Virginia, northwestern Putnam County in western West Virginia, until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Buffalo, Oregon, 12 miles northwest of Winfield, moving north at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Point Pleasant, Gallipolis, Buffalo, Henderson, Leon, Grim's Landing, Gallipolis Ferry, Southside, Fraser's Bottom, and Ashton.
So that's Charleston SVR.